Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope that you are having a great end of summer. Can't believe that it's almost over. It has gone by so fast the last 5 weeks, but here we are at the end with our final assignment. And I just wanted to go over a few things, a brief review of the semester, some of the highlights, the things that I enjoyed most, and then also give you some insight into this last assignment. So I have really enjoyed reading your journal entries, and I think it's interesting that many of you picked up on some of the same things that you want to work on. Many of the same theories and ideas were appealing to you. But what I liked most about your journal entries was just the personal nature and the opportunity that you took to actually analyze this relationship. I know that sometimes that's not easy, and I know that sometimes it makes you kind of revisit some things and some memories and events that you may not want to, but that's how we learn. And one of the things that I saw most over the course of reading all of your journal entries was the growth that you had through the writing and through the analysis. What began as kind of a surface level review of this relationship really moved into more of an in-depth analysis and an acknowledgement of what you can do to improve the relationship. And so I just really appreciate you taking the time to do that and to really give that analysis some thought. You know, one of the things that I hope you take away from this class is that it helps to be able to label your experience. And I think that through the journal entries, one of the things that you realized was being able to talk about your communication using the language of these theories and concepts is very helpful. And it helps you not only to understand yourself, but also the behavior and the communication of the people that you're in these relationships with. So I appreciate you taking the time to do that. And I also appreciate you being willing to disclose the information that you did about those relationships, because I know that's not always easy as well. And then, you know, as we talk about our discussion post and the interactions that you had through discussing the various topics, I found that to be very interesting, and I think it's good to hear from other people and to learn about their experiences and how they view the world, and I think our discussion post gave you an opportunity to do that. You know, but one of the things that I want you to take away from this course this semester is what's your understanding of communication competence. And, you know, you'll notice I've given you some lecture materials and I've given you some videos to watch and things like that, but really this class was a lot about self-discovery, and I think that you guys have taken this as an opportunity to really begin to define communication competence for yourself. And I encourage you to go back and reread all of your journal entries. Maybe lay them all out and kind of look at them as one continuous document, because I think you'll definitely see the growth that I'm talking about, and also your increased understanding of communication competence. And so I'd like to end this semester with you kind of documenting what are your goals. Given everything that you've read about, the discussions that we've had, the feedback I've given you, what is it that you would like to work on as you leave this class? So this last assignment is for you to create an action plan for increasing your communication competence. And so the details of the assignment are here. So basically what you're going to do first is define communication competence in your own words. Include your thoughts from the readings and lectures that influence your definition of communication competence. Then I want you to identify at minimum 3 communication concepts or theories that you feel you need to work on to increase your communication competence or to make you more effective. So go back again and look at your journals and really look at them one after the other and see how your understanding of communication increases over those journal entries. And you can pick something that you've already written about. That's fine. Maybe there's something that interests you that you didn't have a chance to write about, but now's your opportunity and it's something that you want to work on. And it can be from any of the chapters that we've covered this semester. But for each theory or concept that you choose, be sure to identify it, provide a definition, and then why you chose this as your goal for your communication competence. What is it related to a specific relationship? Is it building on some of the journals that you've written about? Just something you want to work on for yourself, but what do you hope to achieve by addressing this goal? And then what are some steps that you're going to take? And your book gives you steps. So there's guidelines, there's things that, you know, advice that it offers given the various theories about how you can incorporate those. So what are the steps that you're going to take, you know, to better your communication? You should allow at least a page, probably a page and a half for each concept or theory, and then you'll need to include an introduction and a conclusion to your paper. So all of this is just due by midnight on Friday. Again, feel free to build on what you've already done. No reason just to create something brand new if that works for you, but also feel free to include topics that maybe you didn't get to discuss this semester. So I do look forward to reading these and kind of seeing what your goals are going forward and what you're taking away from this experience. And I have enjoyed having you in class this semester. I would love to have you going forward in another class. I'm teaching face-to-face on campus, professional communication and interviewing, along with our basic course starting next week, or I guess 2 weeks from now. So I would love to have you in any of my classes going forward. I think it's been a great semester, and I really do appreciate the work that you guys have done. Thank you so much.